Today we found a new scam where they email you with fake job offers. First of all, to identify the scam, all you guys have to do is look at which email they're sending you that from. So it's, for example, if somebody sending you a job offer from Apple, that person will have their email. For example, it would say, let's say, Cory Adams at apple.com, and that would be their email. Now, if they have Cory Adams Apple at gmail.com, well, that doesn't mean anything. Anybody can get an email that says that, okay? They can get any type of email, as long as it's Gmail or Yahoo or something like that. Anybody can put anything. However, if they have at whatever company, then that could be real. And usually these scams always use other things like that, okay? So as you can see, this is totally fake. You guys will also notice that if you guys are not sure about if it's a scam or not, you guys can actually go to the official website where they are telling you that the job is at, and then just email one of the persons from there. So just get in touch with a company and tell them that you got this email with a job offer, and you just want to confirm that these people actually work for them, and they will tell you if it's a scam or not. So we did get in touch with the company. They told us that yes, they're aware that this scam is going around. There's nothing really that they can do about it. But yeah, they're just trying to gather your information in order to, well, there's several reasons why they would want to get your information. They can try to just rob your identity, or they can try to hack you, and getting your information will be very, very easy in order to hack you. But it's mostly just to get maybe fake passports. They can do a lot of, actually a lot of things with your information. The more information you give them, the easier for them it's going to be to do a lot of stuff with it. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, just leave them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate.